Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the identity operator and membership operator. So, what are these two operators? Is identity and membership. Okay. So, what do you mean by the identity operator and membership operator? तो पाइथन ने जिस तरीके से आपने देखा होगा कि हमने एक ऑपरेटर देखा था दैट इज सपोज आई एम कंपेयरिंग द राहुल इज इक्वल टू 10. When you run this code, you will be getting the false value. इस ऑपरेटर को मैंने बताया था कि ये कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर है और ये आपने कंटेंट पर काम करता है यानी कि इट इज कंपेयरिंग द राहुल टू द 10. बट सपोज आई एम टेकिंग a is equal to 10 and I am taking b is equal to 10. When I take the id of these two, id of a, and you can see similarly if I take the id of b, you can see this, it is pointing to the same memory location. So what is the use of identity operator? Just like a comparison operator that compare to the contents, the identity operator basically compare the addresses. There are two types of identity operator, is and is not. So let me see this over a example. हम देख सकते हैं कि ये दोनों एड्रेसेस सेम है. यदि मैं a is b बोलता हूं आपसे, so it is returning to your true value. It means that both the address locations are same. Similarly, if I write a is not b, when you run this code, you will be getting the false value because both the addresses are same. Let us change the value of b is equal to 10. Suppose I am writing b is equal to 12. So can you see this? I have to write a print here to check all the outputs. When I run this code, so can you see this? दोनों की दोनों वैल्यूज जो हैं अलग अलग हैं और सेम लोकेशन को पॉइंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, है ना? सो a is b, you will be getting the false, but the vice versa, that is the a is not b, you will be getting the true. So what is the role of identity operator? Identity operator, instead of comparing the content of or data, it is comparing the address of that particular objects, by which you can identify is the address of all the variables that you are taking is having the same address. Okay, so this is all about the identity operator. Now move for the membership operator. Membership operators basically shows the container and contained relationship. What does it mean? If you are having any container and you want to check any element is the part of this container, so you will be using the membership operator. For example, suppose I am taking one list, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and let I check here this one is the part of this list or not. So to check this, we will be using two membership operators, that is in and another one is not in. So just like a is not, you are having in and not in. So if I check one in L, when you run this course, you are getting the true because one is the part of this list. Okay, when you will write a one not in L, when you get the output, that is a false because this is already available in the L. So I'm particularly talking about the container and contained relationships. तो जितने भी container data type हैं जो कि values को contain करके रख सकते हैं ना, like if we see the string only, like s is equal to Rahul, and so this string is nothing, it's a collection of number of characters. So it is containing the number of characters. Suppose I check r in, run this code. So can you see the output is true? What does it mean? It is comparing this R inside this container. Similarly, if I take the tuple, so let I write 1 comma 2 comma 3. When I check 2 in T. So you will be getting a true value. Let me check in with another data type, that is a dictionary. Suppose dictionary is equal to I'm writing 1 colon Rahul and colon Dubey. Okay. Now here I am checking for the data. Suppose I check 1 in T. When I run this code, so the output is true. So you can see the output is true. But what is the important point is to be taken care here. Suppose I am writing Rahul in D. When I run this code, so you're getting the output is false because it is not comparing the whole data of your dictionary. It is basically comparing your keys. So when you use the in operator over the dictionary, what you get? You will be getting the output true if the value is present in a key only. So if I want to check for the values, so what I need to do, I have to call this values function, and when we run this code, now you can see the output is true because this d dot value. So when you print this d dot value, so the output is dictionary values, that is Rahul and Dubey. So this is what the use of membership operator. So you can use the in, and similarly you can use not in. So let me check the not in example here. So I can write not in. So the output is false because the Rahul is present in the d dot values. So this is all about the identity and membership operator. Thank you for watching.